CES is coming up, and that is the big event. It is the first CES for Indy EV, and so we are scrambling to get everything done and ready. My job is to make sure that our engineers and fabricators can work around the clock to get this going. So the effect of COVID on Indy EV has been difficult sometimes. The car has to be built with hands. It can't be built on a PowerPoint. So at some point we had to get some fabricators going in there in the back and trying to work on the car. So we had to work really closely with all the rules from the government and the CDC. So wherever we could, we would try to get them in. At the time, we only had about 50 people. So if 20 people wanted to come in and we have 120,000 square feet, that's more than 6 feet apart. So we did work around that so that we could maybe catch up, because we had a late start in this EV game. So during that time, we actually worked really hard to get to where we are today.
So right now we're at crunch level, right? Crunch time. The goal is to get the car to CES. It's been a little stressful at times, but as you see parts trickling in, we feel more confident. COVID-19 has affected every company around the world. Right now we're working with different suppliers and they're able to provide us the parts that we need. If they can't deliver on time, then we have a backup plan.
We have capabilities for 3D printing, whereas having to spend a lot of time for one person to make a whole set of stuff, we can have a machine do it for us.
The 3D printer is a very useful tool. If maybe a part came in and it was not our standards or something changed, so we would have to redesign something, we could do it fairly quick, 3D print the part, and without losing any time.
On the supercomputer, we have a VR game. That's super exciting.
I think it's going to be like our flagship kind of thing, at least for infotainment. We have the supercomputer, or the VIC. So really leveraging the graphics processor that we have on there with the VR game is really cool. I haven't really seen it done before in terms of automotive.
People have tried it already here, everyone loves it. So that would be the best showcase of the car ability for now.
The demos are pretty amazing, but they still need some work, some cleanup. There's glitches and things like that.
We already did a ton of work till today, and I think we will have a ton of work to make sure everything looks perfect when we are on the car. My hope for CES is people see our car and get excited about the car as much as I'm excited about it.
Well, I hope our work is seen as something different than what's out there, and we hope that consumers enjoy what we've done and that there's a place for what we've done.
It's not just getting to the destination, it's the whole journey that's important. This is the stressful part, yes, but this is also the fun part. When we look back on, after we go public and all that, and we look back on these maybe tough, hard times, we're going to smile and say, that was actually really fun. And that's my goal.